Good morning. Good morning. Welcome everybody to the show. All right. Penny Pops, hello from Alberta. Nice. Yeah, oh yeah, Canada. Tommy, good morning. Sam Gaming, what up? Good to see you. Ra, my dude, Yoda, good morning. What up, what up? Malik, yo, what's up? SK Sarif, let's go, man. Congratulations for everybody who made it this morning. Tony Chan, good morning. Good to see you, Tony. Alex, hey there, good morning. Yono, welcome. Good to see you guys. 7 Money Bag, yo. Welcome. All right. Let's start this off, all right? What a beautiful morning. Beautiful morning. Okay. Let's see some levels. Have a bit of a sideways action again. You're still holding gold longs? What's gold doing right now? Actually, we still have the new week opening gap right there. So, I would like to see gold, you know, going through that 2677. But first, it might go down. We have this fair value gap down there. It might pick up some liquidity before going higher. So, we'll see. Trader G, good morning. Good morning. Farhad, did I say good morning? If I didn't, welcome. Good morning. All right. What are the Asia lows here? Well, it's officially down there. Let's just put it in place. See what's going on. So we have an Asia low at 203. And I would say the Asia high is pretty much here. So we're in between the range. Hey Sam, yeah, no TradeFi trading. They migrating the new servers as much as I was reading. So TradeFi right now is migrating into the new servers. So trading is halted temporarily today. All right. How you guys doing? Hope everybody had a great New York session yesterday. And maybe some of you guys were trading Asia session, right? As for the levels, how far is the Asia low? Not too far, 20 points away. Oh yeah, I got the email. I got the email. As soon as he came to know about the, well, I think he knew the lawsuit already. I mean, he should have. Good morning, Naomi. Hey, good morning. But I don't think there's going to be any refund. So as far as I checked with some people, nobody received the refund. But maybe some people have. I don't know. Shorted NQ. Let's see. Yeah, let's see the shorts here. I mean, we have a chance to take out the Asia low here. Ain't no way we're getting a refund. Yeah, I definitely. I had the 2 or 3 active accounts still. No refunds, I think. So there's also a GoFundMe for the lawyers. Oh. Your New York wasn't so good. I had 1 loss yesterday, but it's part of the game. Yeah, it's part of the game. We just have to move on. Oh, Malik received the refund. You're the first one that I know who received the refund. That's good. At least that's something better than 0, but okay. And hit safety net ProfiTrade. I'm ready to request payout. Let's go, 7 money bag, yo. I'm starting again with ProfiTrade. I need to get those payouts. Hey Zoltan, good morning. Crazy crap, yes. Yeah, we might see a pullback here on NQ as well. So I was just zooming this out to check what's going on. And I'm also looking gold to go higher into the new week opening gap, but we'll see. For now, it looks like NQ might want to go down to that Asia low. It's close enough, you know. It's close enough. You know, repricing. The only thing here though is that we have some gaps up here on the mini. I don't like that. And also on the micro, so we have some liquidity voids up here at 32, 27, 32. That's a little bit disturbing for the shorts, but we'll see. Marci, good morning. Jó reggelt. From Fast Track Trading. Fast Track Trading. Yeah. So everybody received, including myself, email that the refunds are on the way. But of course, I'm not holding my breath on it. Hey Yokozuna, what's up? Send them an email to send them an email. Let me tell you which address. Where is it? Come on. Man, don't tell me I accidentally deleted it. You have to send an email. At refunds at fasttracktrading.net. Refunds at fasttracktrading.net. Let me paste in the email for you. If any one of you guys want to request a refund, but don't hold your breath on it, send them an email. If you have any screenshots about anything, send them as well. Here's the email: refunds at fasttracktrading.net. Tradeify right now is halting trading because they're migrating into the new servers. So stay tuned. Trading should be back on, but yeah, you're welcome. You're welcome. I hope you will get a refund. Request payout is not highlighted, but still works. Maybe need to wait. I think you need to wait but you should be okay. How to enable the candle chart? It's up there, you know. You can choose from many different charts, you know, candles, volume candles, whatever. I mean, which platform? If you're asking on TradingView, it's right up there. Oh, you can't see it. Hold on. So here it is. Here's my TradingView. And if you pull this down, you can enable the type of candles you want, bars or candles, whatever, you know. There's an icon here. Well, hopefully, Sorel, hopefully. Tick Trader is it kind of trading your opening first? Yes, on the funded accounts. Tick Trader, the first 5 minutes you can't trade. Yeah. Hey Judith, good morning. If I pass an Apex Eval, can I buy another Apex Eval and pass activation before I activate the first? Yeah, sure you can. Yeah, but I don't know how long the activation link is on. Usually they say for 48 hours, but you can send the support ticket, Aryan, to Apex if you want to keep the activation link for longer. But usually you have like 2 business days or 3, I think, to activate your Apex accounts. But I think you can request an extension, maybe, you know. So the side. Oh, this one. Okay. This is, you go into indicators and you type in power of 3. Here, power of 3, HTF power of 3 from 2 degrees. They make good indicators. Power of 3. And once you found it, it has over 10k users, so you will find it. And you double click on it, and I usually use the New York Midnight on the daily candle. Well, you can use it for multiple time frames, as you can see it. But I use the New York Midnight as the open. You can click on this and it will set it there. Yeah, there's a 90%, but the activation fee is $125. So obviously it's a smart move, but you know, just have to count a little bit. Obviously, if you buy a lot of evaluations and you just full port them, you might be okay. But if you just go for 1 or 2, I'd say the activation. So the activation fee is $125 lifetime, or $85 per month. So don't forget that. Oh yeah, you can sign the agreement 48 hours, but yeah, need to until. Oh, okay, that I didn't know. Thank you for the update. That is something I didn't even know. Thank you, Tamimi. Okay, I didn't know that. Thank you, guys. Thank you. I had no idea. I had no idea that you can do the same thing as with Bulenox or with the others. Started mentioning the activations with their. Oh, okay. Well, at least it's a good thing. Bum, bum, bum. Okay, okay. What's it gonna be? Bit of an interesting start here in the morning. We have no news in the London session so far. Right. So NQ shifted higher again, inverting this gap here. Kind of interesting. I mean, on the 1 minute, so who knows? Might want to go for Asia high. Malo Legacy, what's up? Good morning. Let's see. Okay, so far it looks like an inversion gap. The thing is that we have some gaps on the mini and the micro too on the 1 minute chart. Haven't even checked the 5 minute, but yeah, we have a 5 minute gap down there at 24. So yeah, I think it can go down and reprice it, and another one at 22. I don't like this. NQ long right now, looking for new overnight highs. Yeah, I mean, you know, we're right in between the Asia low and the Asia high, both within, well, reach, but how far? This one is 13 points, this one is 21 points, so it can go either way. It can just go either way. It can also continue lower. We have some gaps down there. Not sure. But let me look at the 5 minutes. Do we have anything on the 5 here? Oh, not too much. Some relative equal lows down there at Asia low. Oh, that's what they. Your approved payout request from last week may no longer be valid because there was an issue with the consistency ratio in the new dashboard. What the heck? That's the first time I hear something like this about TickTickTrader. Anyone who I talked to who is trading with them said that they are paying everybody constantly, so no issues. Do they have a new dashboard? I know they upgraded the website a little bit. No, it's not premium. Yeah, it's it helps to anticipate the daily move. You can just look at it and see where we are throughout the day right now. Do you have a preference? Well, as I said, right now it's a coin toss because we're at the middle here, and it's just hard to really decide what it wants to do. If I go higher time frame, as you can see on the 1 hour chart, look at the 1 hour. This is just total indecision and sideways, even throughout Asia's session. It's really hard to say right now. The only thing, though, is that we have previous day high at 59, which is also an important level. I can imagine, of course, a push up there, but we have this 1 hour candle here, this big one from the AM session New York yesterday. So I also like to see this candle at least tapped into, which may not happen right now, only later, but actually I'm gonna put a rectangle here, and I'm gonna mark this 1 hour BC. So pretty much a coin toss this morning. Hard to decide what this one wants to do. The amount is deducted from my account, but they didn't add it back. Whoa. I don't know what the hell is going on. Even personally, do you have a preference? Oh. Well. Personally. Personally, I don't have a preference right now. Looking at my charts here on the left, and I just can't say what can happen now, because it seems like this one wants to go to Asia high. Definitely, 30. It's gonna take out the 40. It seems like it. Pretty much seems like it. Up there, yeah, it's pretty close, but the range is too tight, so yeah, I'm just not sure. I also think that gold should be popping higher back to the new week opening gap, but for NQ, I'm not sure. Since the daily candle, it's very unlikely we'll reach that 1 hour gap. Yeah, looks like we're continuing to the Asia highs right now. Although we have some gaps down there, but yeah. It's very likely we already put the lows. Yeah. I mean, we swept some lows here at 221 with this one here. And it might want to push it to the Asia highs. So, oh yeah, TradingView still has the sale going on. Hey there, T-Bone. Yeah, thank you for asking. Well, she is in the hospital and she's okay, receiving a lot of medicine. But I talked with her in the evening, and well, she's okay. But the doctors are saying they're gonna keep her there for the week and maybe for next week too. I don't even know how to describe this illness. Autoimmune disease. That's what they're saying. Autoimmune disease. That's what is happening right now. So hopefully they will find out what's happening. But yeah. I wish I could say that, Sam. I wish I could say that. You guys would be amazed. I mean, in a negative way, of what's going on in the hospitals in Hungary. I mean, guys, I'm gonna tell you something. You might be, shocked, but you have to bring toilet paper and soap to the hospital. I'm gonna repeat that. You have to bring toilet paper and soap to the hospital because there's none. And this is just a small little information. You know, yeah, just a small little information, and you can imagine the rest of what's going on in the hospitals. I could show you guys pictures and you wouldn't believe your eyes of what's going on in the hospitals here. So yes, exactly, Naomi. You spot on, perfectly described. Technically, the hospitals in Hungary is like as a third world country hospital. Yeah, I mean the ones that are managed by the government, right? So there are obviously private hospitals which are super expensive, and the ones that been held up by the government look like third world hospitals. No, I don't even. I mean, it's yeah. Well, the thing is, Yokozuna, they don't even have the money because the prime minister and his family is putting the money away. But zipping my mouth because YouTube is being watched. Many different outcomes, yeah. Toilet paper and soap is the tough one. Yeah, they don't have it in the hospital. You have to bring to the hospital because if you don't, you're done. And you would be shocked how many other things are missing that you have to bring in to the hospital because they don't have it. Muesli, hey there. Welcome. But normal people are urban policies. Yeah, so I mean, people are fed up. Let's just stay on that. Like, I don't know any people, like, even from my hometown, who are supporting the government. So we are actually asking the questions, you know, the same question: who were the people who were voting for this government? Because we are asking around, and nobody knows because everybody hates the government. Everybody is fed up. Everybody is done here. Everybody wants to leave the country. The young people here in the country wants to leave for good. They just fed up with the government. So I don't know who is voting, but anyway. I would be very afraid to get injected with a syringe such. Well, Naomi, all I can tell you is that so when my mother got to the hospital, I had to start some advanced maneuvers and evasive tactics to avoid this kind of things, which means I got to know the nurses. So who is the night shift, who is the day shift, and what I did, and this is how it works in Hungary. I brought to the nurses chocolates, so a lot of chocolate and candies. I brought to the nurse room, coffee, chocolate, candy, and a little bit of money. Money for the night shift, money for the day shift. And after I gave the money, the chocolate, and everything to the nurses, everybody was smiling. And everybody was helpful with my mother, and hopefully they still are. But I had to do this advanced maneuvers, and I had to be very, very kind and respectful with everybody there, and bring chocolate, money, and everything. So at least that I know that the nurses are looking in a little bit better way after my mother while she's there. And that's how it works. You have to bring some goods to the nurses and to the doctors, and they will take better care. That's how it works. Wake him up. Yeah. No. But that's how things are working. So I had to make sure that she gets proper care. And anyway, I had to bring some other stuff too. But really, I don't really want to go too much into politics because YouTube is not freedom of speech, and the government is monitoring YouTube. So yeah. Yeah, but the thing is that I feel sorry for the staff too, about the nurses and the doctors, because they are extremely underpaid, extremely, like so underpaid. I'm gonna tell you something and this is not about disrespect or anything. The men who are working, I don't know what's it called, the garbage men who are, picking up the garbage on the street, to the truck. It's a respectful job and heads down. They are making more than nurses in the hospital. They are making more. The workers who are sweeping the streets in Hungary are making more than the nurses in the hospital. So they are extremely underpaid, extremely. So you have to bring them money and good stuff and all this, and that's how it works. That's the system. This is the way it works here. Like about 60 years ago or 70 years ago. Yes, they paid by the government. Yes. Yeah, the problem here is that the garbage men are also underpaid. What I can tell you. So they're also, unfortunately, I would give more money to them, but they're also underpaid. And imagine that hospital workers are even more extremely underpaid. But anyway, I'm sorry I was talking too much about this, but I can't hold myself. It's hard to hold myself back when it comes to politics, even though I always say I don't want to talk about politics because I'm just fed up also with the system. So I just fed up that actually my country is going down the toilet. Every year We're going down the toilet. And this is just so bad. So bad. Well, not here, unfortunately. Exactly. The cashiers, exactly, in the cashiers in the local grocery shop, a grocery store, make way much more money than a nurse in the hospital. So I have to bring them some good stuff. A little bit of money, of course, hidden in the package there. Some money, food, chocolate, whatever, coffee, all that such, you know. Good morning, Mo. Good morning. We're stuck here. What's happening with NQ? Little Bakery is very good. Yeah, they have some good stuff, to be honest. Yeah. They have some good stuff. Okay, so I'm not sure if this one, but for now it seems like it might want to break that 40. Hard to say at this point, but you know, the range here is just so tight, like 5 points, you know. If you just count the spread and the commission, is just not worth to enter the trade. NQ is preparing for launch. Let's see. Maybe we'll see the USD fall at our lifetime. Yeah. Well, who knows? Looks like a bull flag on the N5. Yeah, I mean, it took out some liquidity down there. Looks a little bit bullish. At this point, it's just no use to enter in any kind of trade here, in my opinion. Just have to be patient, of course. Patience is the key, the essence. Might have to wait for the macro. Nothing to go here. I mean, nothing to go with here. Yeah, London Open maybe. For now, this is untradeable, absolutely. Even the 5-minute looks crappy. So, yeah, look like maybe it wants to push above the 240, but no. Let's look at gold. Gold looks like a bull flag as well. We have a 5-minute fair value gap down here. This is gold futures for now. We have a 5-minute gap. I would like to see gold pushing up to the new week opening gap. So I might look for a reaction down below 67, down to 65.8. Should be taking that. So it might slowly go down. Otherwise, on the 1 hour, well, I like these levels to the left. this swing high and this one. I definitely like those levels. So I'd like to see a push from gold. Oh, look at NQ. Finally. Something moves. What's going on here? And we have no news, right? So no news. Okay. Yeah, yeah. Still in the channel. By the way, the 90% sale, I think it's still on from Apex. Not sure, but I think it's still on. And Bulenox still has, today is so Tuesday evening. Right now it's Tuesday here, so the 90% is on with Bulenox too. And still the MyFundedFutures 25% sale from the Starter Plus and Expert accounts are still going on. Last day today, 25% off. As much as I checked before the stream, it's still on. Just saying. Take Profit Trader also still has the sale that you get a refund for the test account on your first payout.
Pivot.
Okay, sorry, this was an interview. I was watching an interview with Brett Simba from Tradeify. I haven't finished it yet. Okay, repricing this gap. Now going back higher. Actually, I want to see this pop higher, so I took a long, small, very small position. Took a long. Nothing special. Just looking for a one-to-one here. Let me show you. here. Maybe I'm gonna leave a runner. So let me change this. It's a very tight position. Okay. And the other one, $26. Okay. Let's see. You know, I was watching these fair value gaps that have been kind of like inversed, and wanted to see a pop higher, but I'm risking about $50 on this one. So it's just for fun, basically. This is the usual probe trade to see what it does. Brett more reliable than good old Scotty. Yeah. Hopefully he stays that way. Malik took a short. That's alright. As I said, I was just hoping for this one to pop higher. If it takes me out, I don't care. Made worse trades than this one. I'll be okay with it. I'll be okay with it. Actually, I don't really take a trade like this. Look at the stop. It's less than 4 points. It's so tight. It's a very, very tight trade here. Since there is no volume, yeah, it's gonna take me out, so that's it. I'm just gonna wait for London Open, because this is non-tradable. The Trading Edge, good morning. Welcome. Yeah, obviously the problem is that we don't have enough volume here. So the macro is starting in 1 minute and 10 seconds. Yeah, I'm in a long, but super tight small position. Like I'm risking about 50 or $60 on this one. These are the ones that I call probe trades. To see, sending in the probe and see how to get the feeling how the market is moving. But it doesn't really do anything. I'm not copy trading this or anything. So yeah. Yeah. Yeah, this is a funded account. This is a fund. This is an Apex funded account. It's already down a little bit. Because earlier I tried to trade on it. It's like down $200. But you know, Yesterday I got 4 more Apex accounts, so I thought I'm gonna dedicate one to a little bit more aggressive trading. But it's, you know, if we would be having normal volume, then yeah, I might even go with a little bit bigger size, but for now in this range, it's just not the one that we're looking for. Anyway, let's wait for it. Malik, do I work out? I was working out. Unfortunately, last year in 23, last time. So this year, not so much. This year, I was most likely trying to go hiking and walking, but I need to go back to the gym. I have a friend of mine who is actually working at the gym. And he always calls me like, all right, Tom, this is the time. All right. I have to go back and, you know, lift those weights and you know. So I have to go back. Our recon London will drop us. We couldn't go higher on decent volume. We'll need sweep liquidity. Yes, I think so too. So it's not able to push it. It might need to sweep lower. Yeah. Well, I think it's a good idea. I was watching a video about it, about those desks, and they saying that it actually helps to burn calories while you are working because you have to stand, obviously, and it also helps to, you know, be more efficient, or I don't know, but I was watching a video about it on YouTube, I think, that what are the advantages. I think it's not a bad idea. Actually, who was that streamer? I forgot the name anyway. But I saw some streamers, not just in the trading space, but on other topics, who were streaming with those kind of desks, and they said it's much better because they can think better. It's easier for them to talk. By the way, I also am a better thinker when I stand or when I walk. That's why I always go for walks. So maybe if I would stand, that would give some better ideas. I don't know. Good morning, Zach. Thoughts on range chart? I mean, this ranging chart, or is there a chart which called range chart? Oh, there is. I have no freaking idea. How does it look like? Jesus, this is the range chart. I never, ever, ever check this out. Never. Obviously, it's a thing because it's here, but I never knew how this exactly is working. So no thoughts. I don't know. I don't know. Uh-oh, I think I'm gonna get swept here. Do heavy lifting, no need for cardio thing. If you want to lose fat and gain muscle. 2 years now, and I need new clothes. Yeah, actually, that's what I would be looking into. I'm gonna get some, muscle. Okay, seems like that gold wanted to push higher. Now it's back down. Interesting. Almost 5 minutes to London Open still. Good for scalping. But any trend lines are misleading. Oh, I didn't know that. I pay Bulenox master account. Hope they pay already 400 in profits. Let's go. They paid not just me, but as far as we know, a lot of other people multiple times. So there was this one case on Twitter with that $400,000 or $500,000 thing. Hopefully, it will get sorted out, but that's all we know. Oh, come on. What is happening here? They did not pay the 500K. Yeah, all right. Yeah, so that's why it started. They started to modify the master account agreement too. But I would just say this, and it's nothing against that guy because it's obviously super frustrating. I know it's very bad and everything for him, but why would I grow an account on a simulated funded account to $50,000 or $100,000 on a simulated funded account? No way I'm gonna do that. Even if I would be a much better trader or consistently profitable, I would not grow my profits on a simulated funded account, because sooner or later that's going to be a problem for any prop firm. So no, I'm just taking out everything I can, and there you go, I got taken out as well. So London Open looks like it wants to reach lower. Yeah, as far as I know, they didn't pay him out. I think they just offered a refund or something. Not sure. Not sure. Don't eat too much. Yeah, I try to, but it's so delicious. You know, it's so delicious. All right, so what's gonna happen now? Spiked me out. Now, hopefully, we will see a proper move after this. We have the 40 up there. What else? What else? What else? On the 5-minute, there was there a gap? No, nothing. Bum, ba-da-dum, bum. Yes. I love that. Yeah, that's a delicious food. That is extremely good. One of the best. Oh, I love to eat, guys. I just love to eat. I feel like I'm gonna having issues for the rest of my life because I really love to eat good food and sweets. Okay, here we go. Shifted higher again. Maybe we'll see a push. Maybe. Bum, ba-dum, bum. Bum, bum, bum. I'm wondering if it wants to push it to the highs here, or was this just a sweep again, or a fake bullish breaker? It feels like and seems like a bullish breaker on this range, but you know, swept some lows. Small little fair value gap here, structure shift. Could be a potential breaker, but I'm not sure. Not sure. FTSE squeezing. Yeah, worse trading conditions. I agree. I agree, Malik. Good morning, Trader Monk. You're a good. At least it would be nice to see it push through the 40s to sweep some highs there, because this range is just not good. Trying to accumulate 10 accounts for Bulenox and 24 Apex this December. Then from 25, I just trade them each account 200 a day. That's a very good plan. That's an extremely good plan. This is the only case that we know about. As far as we know about every other people, I mean, everybody got paid, no issues, no questions, even after the new rules. I mean, I had never any issue with them. So you know. All right, let's go. Asia highs, come on. Come on. What's gold doing? Gold is not doing anything. Looks like someone has no problems with the activation fee. Well, it's a business, you know. If you just do some calculations and decide that, all right, this is the amount of money I'm willing to pay for evals and activation fees. So you have to plan your strategy, how you want to build your funded account, obviously. But yeah, they never missed the payment. There was one issue, but there's a very slight issue. I had like 7 or 8 payouts from Bulenox, so not too much. But every time on the clock, on the Wednesday, the money was boom on the account because they pay every Wednesday. No, they never missed. Only one small issue was once that I was expecting the payout on a Wednesday, and it did not arrive, and it was already after the New York PM session, and before that I always received it even before the New York session started. So the day passed by, and it was after market hours, and I was like, interesting, like Bulenox missed or did they send me or anything? And I sent them an email like, hey, what's up? I was just trying to ask, like, did you guys miss my trade, or is anything my payout, or is anything okay? And after I sent the email, in about 20 minutes the money was sent. I guess they somehow not missed it, but maybe somehow overlooked it. And after I sent the email, in 20 minutes they sent the money. That was the only thing. But it was still on the Wednesday. So sold 39. Let's see it. Let's see it. Don't forget, it might push through the 40. There you go. It's pushing through. Almost. Not yet. Not yet, but it's pushing. There you go. Hey, La Rebecca. Sideways. 8 points is 8 points. Yen is slow, yeah. 3 trade from passing apex. Hey, don't force it. You can still wait until the you know, you can still wait for the New York session. Sorry, I was just all right. Just a second. Seems like it swept the high. All right. Just had to send a quick email. I'm sorry, everyone. Yeah, could be a reversal, I guess. Well, those are good. Those are good, but always slow. Always just slow. They're repainting. I tried it, and this one that I use has a lot of resemblances from that system, but fortunately it has been filtered out. A lot of false signals have been filtered out. So hello, Holy Grail. Wake up. Start to be hurt day after day. Yeah. Let's see. It seems like the reversal is in place, and actually a nice little shift here. Okay, it's gonna close. Okay, it closed down there. So this is a nice little reversal. Wow, look at that. Are we going for the Asia low? Seems like it. Whoa. How far is the low? It's down there. It's at 203, right? That would be the Asia low. Are we gonna have a reprice higher? NQ took Asia, ES not. Oh yeah, nice short there. Took a short at 243, just TP, let's go. Well, you know, it would be nice to see this one sweep the Asia low, that's for sure. Maybe if I get a nice, you know, this is a nice bearish breaker. And if I put a fib tool here, 50% level would be at 29, 30-ish area. Yeah. Let's see it. The 15-minute actually swept the 241 high, which was yesterday PM session. Looks interesting for sure. Been holding short since 10 hours ago. Oh. Well, it might go for the Asia low, but we don't know that yet. It could be a trap. Repriced the 1 minute, didn't go up to the 50%-ish area. So early to say. If this would go back into that gap, and we still have to wait 2 minutes and 20 seconds for the 5 minute. If this would go up here, and that is technically, well, which one is the first one? This is the first gap. The first gap after the London Open is this one here. All right. All right. This is the first fair value gap. I want to see a retracement up there maybe, and look for a reaction around this 50% area. Yeah, Malik. Yeah, I stream London and New York session too. Still bullish. Yeah, could be. Could be the case. We have some relative equal lows down there too, but I'm not sure if it wants to go straight down there. But it's not going back to that 50% level. I really like this one to go back up there. And again, sideways. Come on. Discount and 1 day pass. Yeah, exactly, Ruse. But the activation fee is $125. So they increased the activation fee to $125 lifetime. Or you can go with $85 monthly fee. But yeah. So that's the trick. That's how it goes. But obviously, if one wants to buy more evals to have a higher pass rate, then now it's cheap. That's true. Oh man. We're stuck here again. It would have been nice to see at least a proper and fast reversal here. An entry short, and then boom. Maybe now. Come on. Yeah, New York session nowadays, especially in the past few weeks, it's better. Especially in the past few weeks. But we still have time from the kill zone, so anything can happen, obviously. Come on. Okay, now it wants to go, or what? What's it gonna be? What's it gonna be? Come on. No reversal up there. The only thing that was possible to go short in this fair value gap here. But I don't like the idea that we have this one up there. So how is gold doing? There's a swing low here. Might want to go there. Look at this. 10 points down, Asia low. Wants to go for it. Oh man. Always the same thing. Watching paint dry in the London session. It's just uh always and always the same. Yeah, London. I mean, it's different because last year, as much as I can remember, and I did have some payouts too in December. It was a little bit more exciting. Of course, it's just still the third day of December, but as I said, in the past 2 weeks, it's just getting slower. Asia sessions are actually providing better entries and trades. Would $100 trade that took 30 seconds be microscalping? No, no, it's all right. Because it was like more than a few seconds. And even though you closed $100 there, that's no problem. They mentioned in the Discord that it's no problem for having a few trades like that. They're mostly looking for traders or individuals who are using algos or automated systems that are going every time for a few ticks in a few seconds. So if they see a consistency in those kind of trades, then that's a red flag for them. But if you have a few trades like that and you have a healthy equity curve by taking like normal trades, then that's not an issue. So it's a little bit cloudy, but I get what they're saying, so no problem with that. Slow grind down to 203 and nothing in between those levels yet. I mean, in between Asia high and the low. The only thing up there is a fair value gap if it would go up. And you know, I just don't want to jump in here. I'm like 70% confident that this is going to take out Asia low, but still. I was watching this gap on the 1 minute to maybe go into a trade to continue with the sell, but I'm not trusting this. I'm just not. I saw this like more and more times occurring, that London is tricky. It seems like it wants to go for Asia and then reverses up there, and that's it. Especially the way it moves now, super slow. Equal lows on the 5. We impulse past 210. Yeah. Yeah, we need to go out of that, Zach. I agree. You're targeting 200, but it's taking... Yeah, it's... as I said, London is tricky. It could do like this. Like, it's doing this, going higher, sweeping that gap, and then... You know... It can also do this. And this is what I don't want to be part of. No, I'm not in a trade. I'm not in a trade. I'm flat. No, not this one. Orders, positions. I'm flat. I have no orders, no positions, nothing. Nothing on. You see? slowly making its way into this gap above 28. Hopefully there will be a reversal there, but I'm telling you, it's a tricky one. Oh yeah, I think he's full port long on this. Rare metal of export ban, difficult to ban metals. Interesting. Let's see, what's it gonna be? Took a short. Based on my super magical, awesome indicator system, which is actually not my system. Bum, bum, ba-dum, bum. The short? I mean, well, who knows what's gonna happen here, but you know. I wonder why. Unless he's short from 240. Oh yeah. Maybe he's short from 240. 241.242. He's short from 242. He's short from 242. Oh well. To the dumpster again. He has his secrets that he is also very generous to share most of them. Oh. I don't know the secret sauce. He knows the secret sauce. I don't know. I don't know the secret sauce. What's it doing right now? I wonder. Okay, this one unfortunately might go higher back to that gap. Hello, Bravo. What up? Good to see you. Yeah, it's going back up there, unfortunately. Almost out from this position. If it goes higher, I will add one more. Careful with that, but yeah. Push the buttons and close your eyes. That's the yeah. That's the secret sauce. Don't care about tomorrow. Just push the button. That's the secret. Doing good, Bravo. Doing good. Trading slow in the London session. Have to be careful. All the dirty moves are happening in London nowadays. But all good. But all good. But I don't know what's happening with NQ right now. I thought that we're gonna sweep the Asia lows. But it's just not happening. It's not happening. It's not going for it. And I don't know why. Oh yeah, the dirty moves are all yeah, I imagine that dirty moves were already happening way before. Back to the weave up. Let's put the weave up here. You guys like it. Oh, add the weave up, yeah. Let's talk about food. Come on, don't do this with me. I'm always hungry. If we talk about food, I have to stop my diet here. Okay, what's NQ gonna do right now? I'm gonna extend this gap here. Interesting reaction, by the way, on this one. Huge question mark. Yeah, hungry Hungarian. Never heard about that in anything. McDonald's. Oh yeah, Big Mac, pizza. Hey John. The problem is I like junk food as well. Junk food is so good. It's just so awesome. All bad. All good. Those are all delicious food. Very, very delicious food. That fair value gap didn't matter. It's all subjective. Yeah, that's also true. It's subjective. The VWAP also created kind of a rejection, but who knows? Leave Tom alone. No, I like to eat. I love to talk about food as well. Chicken wings. Oh, and spicy, yummy, yeah. Chicken rice and green long beans. Mmm. 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 I love that. I love the food. Gotta love the food. Oh, come on. What's it gonna be? Then go up there to that gap and reprice. And then I hope it will show us something. It should be popping above the 30s now. Or to the above the 27. I got taken out from that short right now. But it should be popping above 28. At least that's what I would think. Shorting on a rally. That's what I love to do, you know. I blew 5 accounts almost yesterday. Oh. Be careful, John. Be careful. Steak and eggs for breakfast. That's one of the best. I will go down. Theory didn't work yesterday. Oh. You guys got paid by Apex. I didn't. I mean, I was paid in November, but it was, I think, before the new rules. Since then, no. But we have like 2 or 3 people who got paid in chat and Discord too. I mean, I know someone texted me who got paid by the new rules, but so. Yeah, that's good food. Vietnamese food, that could be delicious, I guess. Okay, so it might be repricing higher. Let's see the reaction. You got others in the green, alright. Kind of mad that I have to pay for market data without trader funding after buying 100k valuation full price and just realized yesterday a clean setup came to my doorstep. Oh, sorry to hear that. Trading until, what's up? Try southern catfish and cheese grits. Ooh, that sounds good. That sounds delicious. I might go with that. Alright, what's happening here? Took out this small 1-minute high there. Interesting. Interesting. Okay, gold decided to go higher. Great. Quite a pop here from gold. All right. I took a short at 221 again. Trying to target the lows. European market is still bullish. Hmm. Yeah, I should avoid milk products. Get full face from cheese and milk. Okay. I'll try to remember that. Come on, I just want to see this one go to 205. That's it. Well, looks like it, but actually the name of the game is, of course, where is the drawn liquidity? The entry is a thing, but can it sweep the Asia lows? You know, that's the big question. I think it can. I hope it can. And, you know, on the 5-minute, it wicked into this 5-minute gap right here. Just a little bit. So I was hoping that it will go down, and I also got a signal too, but everything lined up to go for the Asia low, hopefully. I'm trying to figure out something on gold as well, but right now I don't know what gold wants to do. I feel like it wants to go bullish, but maybe not now. I mean gold. US market pre-open guest play. Yeah. Yeah. Could be. Could be. So on the 5-minute, we wicked into the gap. Sharp reversal. Still have the Asia lows down there. Hoping to get it, but you know. You can never know. Good morning, Michael. No, you didn't. No, you absolutely didn't. Not much going on. I'm looking for Asia lows. That's it. I'm taking profit at 205 actually. And to be more precise and a little bit early profit taker, I'm gonna modify it to 205.25. And that's it. Yeah, 05.25 next trades, 05.25. I don't want to wait for it to break that level because there could be some early profit taking and could be bouncing before reaching that level. 205 is reasonable for me, so just want to go for that. Would be great to see taking that Asia level, but we'll see. Oh man, this was a tricky move. Look at this dirty move. Dirty, dirty, dirty. NQ, come on. Why are you doing this? Oh, I know why. Because it's NQ. That's why it's doing it. Gold is still popping higher. Imagine paying market data when you have another expensive stuff for market data already. Yeah, it's high resistance right now. Close. Double bottom. I don't know what the hell is going on with NQ. Too much for you. Yeah, I don't know what's going on here. I was so sure that the Asia low should be taken. Triple bottom on the 5. Yeah. Trade the opposite what you normally would for 1 week. Actually, that's like I think it could be a good strategy. I think it could be profitable as well. I actually wanted to do a social experiment on my own. I wanted to ask a friend of mine to take a few trades in the New York session. Just enter with a standard position size and just push the buy or the sell button. Just listen to his intuition, where it will go. And whatever he does, I'm just going to reverse it on a different account and see what's going to happen. Actually, I really wanted to do that. But then I was reading an article about this, and according to that article, which is a case study, it's not going to be profitable even if you reverse engineer someone who doesn't know anything about trading, so someone's trade, because you're going to have the same result as trading just based on a coin toss. There's going to be slippage, spread, the commissions, and sometimes, obviously, that particular person who is pushing the button is going to get lucky, and he or she is going to get to take profit. So it's going to, after a while, it's going to equal out to the same result. Interesting. Really? After 4 months? Wow. Interesting. I was reading that it could work for a short term, but after a while, oh, look at this. After a while, even, I mean, anyone can get lucky, and then the reverse trades are gonna get, I mean, I'm gonna have huge losses. What a dirty move here. Gold is still pushing. Oh man, I really wanted this to go. I wanted this to go, but it's just not going. It's not doing it. What do you think of a long when we sweep in Asia? Oh, that's a good idea, actually. I'm still going to stay bullish on NQ, even if it takes me out now. I'm just going to stay. I mean, I'm definitely going to stay bullish. But I was really hoping that that sweep of the Asia lows there. Oh, Sentinel. Let me check it. No, I didn't. I didn't catch that. I was checking it, how it's going up there, but I didn't catch the move. Oh, oh, I see bookmap. Yeah, we were right there. We have contracts below 12. Oh, quite a lot of contracts. 123, and we have more at 200. Wow, interesting. Thank you for sharing it. So this is what Holy Grail shared. So we have contracts below 212, and then at 200. It might going down there. Interesting. $350 monthly sub. Wow. I see. Okay, so that's considerable for data. It's having an edge win rate over 52%. and take one on our risk reward. Money management, read Larry Williams. Oh, all right. Good ad. Yeah. Yeah. Maybe it's gonna take those contracts below. Well, anyway. It's acting up weird right now. But it doesn't look good. It doesn't look good. Not my lucky day, that's for sure. I mean, not yet, at least. Maybe later. But it's a trashy price action. I give you that. Sellers pushing and buyers are resisting at 12. Yeah, if it would break this, we definitely should be breaking the Asia lows. The fight is real. Uh-oh. Uh-oh. Wow. What is the normal average risk reward? Well, I try to aim for 1 to 2, but usually I end up with 1.5, 1.4 because I close early or I take partials. I would say I end up around 1.3 on the big average, 1.3 or I try to stretch it out to to 2 risk rewards, so 2. But I need to focus on holding trades longer and holding to the profits. That's it. But yeah, usually I end up around 1.3. You know, if you take partials, then obviously it's changing the whole game plan by taking partials. Yeah, could go Holy Grail. That's why it's having a hard time going below. Oh, I see. Well, weave up again. Oh yeah, weave up again. Here it is. What a dirty move. They could push it up now and maybe dump New York. That can happen. So they push it all the way through and they will dump it to Asia low in New York. Obviously, it can also happen. It doesn't have to be right now. Gold. Oh yeah, gold is starting to go on steroids again. I wonder how far would gold go after this? Yeah, pushing all the way up there maybe to 72s, I guess. Man, what a dirty move here. This is playing tricks. Yeah, Bulenox is back to 90%. Yeah, but only today. Today is the last day, I think. So if you want to stack up a few accounts, I mean, obviously they can go back to 75 or 80 after that. So, sorry guys, something to do. All right, see you next time in London. Trade safe, be safe. Thank you for being here. Holy Grail. Yeah, those lows are equal on the mini. So we'll see. You can change from trade away. Okay. Oh man. This is so bad. This is just so bad. It's not going where it should go. Yes, it's tomsabo. My Apex code. There's another one. If the tomsabo code is not working, there is a random Apex code. It's in the description. But thank you if anybody is using it. Thank you for the support. I don't know if it's capital or small capital. I don't know, but you can try. Thank you. We're stuck here. We're just stuck here. I wish it would go down and sweep those Asia lows down there. That would be so awesome. At least something good should happen in this session there. You never know. Yesterday I missed the trade. 11:10. We expect good. Well, yeah, that's true. That's true. You never know, but still. As I said, the entry model is just one thing. The name of the game is where is the draw on liquidity. You know, if you analyze the market, what are we seeing on the higher time frames? That's all that matters at the end. Anyway, I have to go to the bathroom. I'll be right back. All right. False move here. I thought that finally it's gonna drop, but it's not. It's not doing it. So gold. This is the gold chart. Just a quick examination here. We have these equal highs. We have the new week opening gap that has not been completely closed, and we have a previous day high. I would gladly go for the 72s there, and on NQ, well, it's just trash. NQ is just doing his thing this morning. Yeah. It's just not doing it. This price action this morning makes me want to puke. This is the same thing since 2 weeks now, the second week or third week even with London. I'm actually getting tired from this price section. All right. Let's just wait this one out. Oh, Tron. My mother, she is okay. They have to keep her in the hospital for the week and maybe next week because the doctors don't know what's the exact issue. It's an autoimmune disease that suddenly appeared, and she's receiving a lot of meds, and I hope it will be all right. The doctor is saying that they still don't know what is causing the problem. So, but I hopefully she will be okay. So, yeah, she's okay. I'm gonna go visit her today as well. Yes, money promoter. She got the vaccine. And yeah. Thank you, Michael. Well, I don't know what is going on. Her immune system started to act up weird, and the doctors don't know what's causing it. So, but they said they will know more by Thursday or Friday. Thank you. Yeah, definitely. I'm gonna speak to the doctor in person and ask around what they know. Yeah. Exactly. So I'm gonna consult with the doctor in private, and hopefully he will tell me some details. I heard something about that too. So it's yeah. So to be honest with you guys, I took the vaccine as well back in during the pandemic because I had to travel to Croatia because we were having a business there, a real estate business, and I had to go. I had no other choice. I needed to go, and they required us at the border to show a certificate that I took the vaccine. And I wasn't really a fan of it, trust me. But I took it. What can I say? I regret it. By the way, I regret it because I've seen what's been happening since then. But it is what it is. I took it. But I deeply regretted taking it. Profitable coin flip trading. Let's go. Maybe it's something you could implement. All right. Let's see. Oh, all right. We could do that. Okay, this is some AI strategy here. Okay. Okay. I'll read about it. Incidents like that bring life into perspective. Yeah. Yeah, 100 million% agree with you, T-Bond. 1 billion% agree with you there. My mother, she was always tough, and she is still tough, of course. And she always was doing in her life physical work and everything. So she is a strong woman, and she was working around the house, and she was working physical jobs. Back when in Hungary it was like still communism and the old ways, and so she was working a lot when she was young, and she's tough. And I always thought like, okay, nothing can bring her down, right? But right now, seeing her in a hospital in conditions like this, totally, flips my brain back like, oh my God, like, who cares about anything else in the world? Like, like family, friends, relationships, health, more likely. Health is more than ever. Health. Most important, and time. So first, health, then time, and family, or family, these three almost equally. Health, time, family, or friends. If someone, I understand, no, but some don't have a family, but still those people who matter to you. So health, time, family, or friends. And then after that comes the money. Maybe. So no, I don't have siblings. I don't. I'm a prototype, I'm a prototype. And my doctor told me don't do it, but I just wanted to go out. Yeah, I had to travel not just to Croatia, but I had to travel to the Czech Republic too, and I just couldn't leave the country otherwise. And at the border, they were checking the certificates. I just needed to do it. So my doctor also told me that, all right, you should take it, blah, 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 blah. And I said, all right, F it, who cares? And then the years passed, and I realized, oh my God, what have I done? And so I'm not happy about it, and I'm reading a lot of articles about the side effects and everything, and I regret it. I regret taking it. And I understand that many people share the opposite opinion. I respect it. I know many people who are actually absolutely, next to the idea that, everybody must take the vaccine, and I respect their opinion. But I was reading so much, and I was also consulting with doctors even in the past years, and my opinion is final, and I regretted it 100% for taking that shit into my system. So, and I'm still afraid of which year am I gonna have some side effects, some whatever, my immune system or whatever is gonna defect or something because of this shit. So no. Feels like I don't have the same energy. Exactly, Michael. The same goes for me. I don't. I feel like I'm getting it's, and it's not just because of the age. Like it was like only 4 years ago or 5 years ago. Like I'm getting more tired. I'm not. I obviously I have to go to the gym. Yeah, I know, but I feel it. Something is going on. Something is not right. I don't know. And I see a lot of people in person as well. I actually know people in person, new people who are not here with us anymore, here with me anymore, who took the stuff, and guess what happened? And they were super healthy and young, very healthy, very strong, and young. And guess where they are now? 6 feet under. So no more side effects. Okay. Hopefully. It's my age. Yeah. I understand, of course. My age is definitely. We're not getting younger. I know. I have to go to the gym. That's a fact. I have to go to the gym. That's a scientific fact as well. Yeah, exactly. Anyway, sorry if I offended anyone about this. It's I'm zipping it, especially because it's YouTube. So anyway, you know. What's going on here? Are we gonna finally sweep that Asia low or what? Come on. This one needs to go. This one just needs to be swept. Come on. Waiting for a long at 200 area. Let's go. Are we gonna break this 11 first? I really hope that we will break it. So I can get out from this. But yeah, the volume right now is extremely low and slow. Come on, just drop it. Just drop that. 111 contract. That should be taken out. With a wick, like boom. That has to be taken out. Oh, sorry. Just a quick call. I'm sorry. I'm sorry. Just a quick call. Sorry. What's it doing right now? Why is it not going? Come on, just drop it. Oh man. So what happened here, actually? We swept the highs beautifully. Then shifted back down there below that gap inversion and going down to this swing low. Interesting. Interesting. Oh, 11 is just close as well. Oh, then it should take it, right? Justin Wright, what's up? Hello. Martin, we're playing around that hourly. Yeah. Yeah, we do. Settlement is 218. I'm a little bit regretting by not going short on this one because we had this first presentation gap up there, and this candle beautifully closed below, so this could have been an inversion entry right here, and that could have been a nice one. But yeah, and now I'm hovering in this, I don't know what to call this, not price action for sure, settlement. Well, it's, I guess it's referring, I mean, he's referring like a point of, almost like point of control. I would say that, you know, the middle of this range or this sideways movement here. Yeah, I don't know what price is doing, but definitely acting out weird. No idea what's going on, you know. Absolutely no idea what's going on with this, but it's interesting. around 100 contracts. Price should be gravitating down there to that 11 area. What can we do, right? What can we do? I'm also watching gold to see if it wants to break above actually today's high at 72 up there. Looking for that new week opening gap. Yeah, it is. It is super nasty. All right, you know what? I don't think I have to watch this because this is just. I have other things to do, but I'm not gonna modify this trade. I'm gonna leave it on, but I'm gonna cut it here, ladies and gentlemen. I'm gonna cut it here, and I'll be coming back for the New York session. Right now, I just don't. Nothing is happening. So that's it for the London stream, and see you guys in New York. I hope you guys can join me, and tomorrow as well in London. Thank you so much, and you know, the Black Friday sale still going on with Bulenox and Apex, and I think with which one? Oh yeah, last day for MyFundedFutures, 25% discount on Expert and Starter Plus. But if you would like to support the stream, please use my codes and links. Thank you so much, and trade safe, be safe. God bless you all, and I'll be back in New York session. All right, cheers everybody, take care.